cute little things. This is like a cute little everyday purse. Like I can put my iPad and stuff in there. And then the girls found this. That's real cute not for me, but for them. And this one, but this giving grandma for my daughter, so I don't know about that. And I like this one. Look at this one, y'all. This is a little Aldo purse. Isn't that cute? I think that's cute. But we're just in here window shopping. I'm probably not about to buy too much. So we will see what we find in here, y'all. All right, y'all. So we are back from the store, from TJ Maxx. And did we go anywhere else? No, we only went to TJ Maxx. So now I done took a shower. I know my face probably looking dry, but I'm about to do a mask. I'm about to do this clay mask and mix it with apple cider vinegar. I'm about to do that. And it can be messy, so definitely. And it's just a clay, and you mix it with the apple cider vinegar. I'm just going to use this. I'm going to get my plastic spoon. I'm going to do maybe like 2. I do not measure, y'all know, just mix it to your liking. And I'll shake this up before using it. And you do not have to refrigerate it after you use it. I'll just keep it in my cabinet. So let's see. And it does fizz a little bit. You just mix it up. Y'all see that? Let me see. It's like a clay. So you just mix it up. And it should become like pasty. And once it get pasty, then you just mix it. And I add a little bit more to make it a little bit thicker. And then you leave it on for like 15 minutes, I think, until it get hard. And then you wash it off and cleanse your face again. Me, I have oily skin. This stuff can really dry your face out if you overuse it. So I only do it like, I only do it like once to twice a month. I don't do it every week or nothing like that, because I did notice at one time I was doing it once a week and it was drying my face out. So I feel like twice a month should be fine. And it does say that you can use it for or other things like facials, acne, body wraps, clay baths, foot soaks. And I think you can do like a hair mask out of it too. But this is the consistency, so what you could just smear it on your face. And I'm gonna go downstairs in my bathroom and do it. I just wanted to be in the kitchen so I wouldn't make a mess at my vanity. So this should be enough. This is all I needed, y'all. So that should not be, you don't need much. And it lasts a really long time. I actually got this clay mask from TJ Maxx for $7.99. So it's very reasonable. It has many good uses. I actually I used to use it back in the day, but I was not researching that much back in the day. So when I was using it, I was using doing the mask too much, drying my face out. So I thought it wasn't working, so I stopped using it. But I'm about to go apply this and I'll be back. I'm back, y'all, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna leave this on for like 15 minutes. After it dries, it get real hard. So after it dries up, I am going to wash my face again and then do the rest of my skincare. And I'll show y'all what I actually use too when cause I ain't gonna lie, I've been keeping up with my skincare routine. I have noticed a change in my skin. Like my skin has been getting real smooth, real clear. But I'll show y'all my skincare routine. Again, I only do this like once or twice a month, honestly. So I am gonna let this sit and I'll come back on later. And this is what we're washing with, La Roche-Posay. And I have this. Put some right here. And this. And I'm just going to let my face air dry. And I'm going to come back and show y'all the rest of the products that I use on my face.
You got people probably love this fucking movie. You hearing me, G? Councilman Banks. We're not gay. I was ignorant. Hurtful. Like, kite for me. Or creative lies.
The system may be flawed at times, Mr. Feb Blueberry. I'm in a calendar.
No, moles don't have eyes.
What?
They don't have eyes.
Yeah, they don't have eyes.
Yes.
Who? Close your eyes.
I drove him to the airport. I picked out some bread.
Mommy,
I'll change my nose.
I used to love this motherfucking movie, man. Wanna need anything else?
No, sir.
Saturated, Pepsi.
I got Excedrin.
Huh?
I got Excedrin.
Yeah, Pepsi.
Mm-mm.
No, like, there's nothing left.
I just got this today, and I got this today. So I'm gonna try both of these out. I'm gonna put the vitamin C first. And I have this, but I'm not gonna use this today. I'll use that in the morning. This vitamin C.
Sweet home, boy. Get on your feet.
Our moisturizer.
Welcome to Outdoor. Thank you, Sergeant. I'll take it from here. Afternoon, inmate group. My warden wants to see you. Move it.
Don't forget your neck. This feels really good. And that's my skincare routine. Yeah. For my oily girls.
That's what that plastic trash
I'm looking and seeing something because people was doing this and it was like a rubber band on their plant. And I need to take these dead ones off. This is rough. I think it's rough. I'm ready.
how are you gonna tell me? Are you a villain?
Sorry, I got a tooth pain.
This is tuna.
No, it's not.
So this could,
Yeah, why you got so much dirt in the pot?
that's just what Should I put that plastic thing in here too?
Well, that's only.
I just wanted to show y'all today's dinner, Taco Tuesday. But yes, y'all, I'm about to tear this down because we love tacos real bad around here. So I'm about to go ahead and happy Saturday, YouTube. Happy Saturday. It is time, y'all. Y'all see this? This hair is getting cut off today, okay? In like an hour and 30 minutes. I'm getting ready to get in the shower, get dressed, but I just want to show y'all, like, baby is not about to have no hair. I'm about to be a pixie girl, okay? So I just want to come on her, just get some footage and just show y'all, like, I can't believe I'm about to do it, but I go through things where I be needing to change, and I'm not surprised, so it's time, y'all. I done had my braids out ever since I took them out. I haven't combed my hair. I haven't did nothing. So she's about to be gone. I'm about to get in the shower. I'm going to do my lashes and stuff before I go. So let's see. All right, YouTube family. I am dressed. I just have on a white tee, some jeans. And I'm doing this scent right here. It's just a little oil. I got this from TJ Maxx. And it smells really good. And then I am going to wear this today. It smells really good. Okay, so what I've done is I did my brows and my lashes, and my skincare hair is still pretty much up in a bun. But this is the final look. I didn't try to do too much, you know, just a little boom, boom, boom. And yeah, clusters from Amazon. But stay tuned, y'all. I'm gonna be a pixie girly, so I will check back into y'all. I'm about to be leaving in the next 10 minutes, so I will come on and check in with y'all once I get to the salon.
I was trying to tell you, click on, but they be clicking on there like they're gonna look.
You know, TikTok, they see one thing or some start trending. Like right now, these haircuts are trending. So you know.
Do it. All right, let me see. Well, I'm getting nervous. They just me. Like it's your hair.
Cause like you ain't did the same thing.
Right. All right, we're gonna tap into it right there. If y'all want to see me cut all this hair, hit the. Show me some love. Hit the heart button. Give me some hearts. See.
There you go. Go ahead.
You want me to just
Don't be trying to drag it out.
tap it? Tap it. Y'all tap that screen if y'all want me to see me cut this hair off. I'm trying to. I don't want to. We're gonna take it in two. We're gonna take it in two because of the style that I'm cutting.
Okay.
I want to make sure that I do this right. Normally I don't cut it like this, but today you gotta start off somewhere. All right, we're gonna start here. Where that hair at?
It's good. It's going now.
It's going. It's going.
Oh man, it's official. I can't walk out like this, huh?
Oh, you going out with a mullet, baby. Tell the people, Mullet Nancy is here.
Oh man. Well,
Y'all like her mullet? What's your husband saying?
She had hair so long that it looked like weave. Then she cut it all off, now she looked like Eve.